first thing we're going to do is just come into our child pose. Now allow the legs to just gently sort of relax. You take the knees out and you're just pushing just gently away. You can let the head fall through and hopefully you feel that really nice stretch down the outer back and also in the middle of that sort of thoracic spine, sort of bra line area, the bit that we tend to hunch from. That alone is just a nice standalone treatment, obviously, isn't it? But from here, as long as you can sit back on your heels, you're going to now roll the ball until you come up and you can feel everything seated, and then from there, head nods as you roll down, belly button draws in, and you're just going to push the ball away. Now, for those of you that cannot sit back on your heels, and it's just for different reasons, and it's just really uncomfortable, you can still do this kneeling up. But what you'll do is head nod, and then from there, have that roll forwards. And then gently rolling back. So your head nod, rolling forwards, and then slowly rolling back. What I'm not doing is just forwards and back. I'm literally rolling forwards and then rolling back. And then from there, of course, you can have your release back into child pose. But otherwise, I want you to get used to now sort of coming over the ball. So rather than us going the other way, we're just going to come over the ball. Make sure you're comfy. I'm going to put those blinds down in a minute, it's very bright in here. And just allow yourself to rest. Now, if it's painful anywhere, because we don't want that, maybe on the chest, tummy, you can bring yourself over a little bit further, just so there's no sort of compression. I've still got my feet on the floor. Another reason we don't want a huge, big, sort of 75-inch ball. For those of you who are taller, I mean, you could use a 65, but to be honest, for what we're doing, 55 is plenty. So you just sort of rolling forwards and just rolling back. And think about breathing into the back of your ribs. And you're just allowing the ball to gently take your weight. Information, I mean, hopefully those